Today's recipe is chana masala or spiced chickpeas. Most households tend to have their own version of this dish, so there are many variations. Today I'm going to take you through what I think is one of the easiest versions of this dish and one of the most versatile versions as well, because you can use it in so many different ways. Obviously as a curry with rice or with bread, or you can have it as a sandwich filling, in a salad, as a pizza topping, and even as a pie filling if you like. For the recipe, you'll need 3 cups of dried chickpeas, 1 can of tomatoes, 5 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, half an onion, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, 6 to 8 fresh curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, salt to taste, and fresh chili is optional. Now the first job is to soak the chickpeas, and you do this overnight. And they start off like this, then once soaked overnight, they look like this. So basically they double in size. Then of course we have to cook the chickpeas, and so they need to be boiled first before we add the spices. Add them to a pot and boil. Partway through the process, you will notice an accumulation of this foam. You'll need to skim this off. The reason for this is that if it's left to build up, then it can result in an explosion on top of your stove. And it has a bit of an unpleasant flavour as well. It's a bit bitter. Once your chickpeas are nice and soft, drain and set aside. Now prepare your other ingredients, your garlic, onion, curry leaves, your can of tomato paste. Now I've got coconut sugar here, mustard seeds, cumin powder, coriander powder, and salt. Make sure your non-stick pan is nice and hot. Now the idea is to make it nice and hot so your mustard seeds start to pop like this. Now this popping releases the flavour. Pop in your curry leaves, onion and garlic, and dry fry. Once you see a bit of colour developing, deglaze with some water. Add your chickpeas, your canned tomatoes, coriander powder, cumin powder, your sugar, and your salt. Add your tomato paste and stir. Add about 1.5 cups of water and allow to simmer. Cook for about 45 minutes and top up with water if required. Now I make this dish as a dry curry, which means that it doesn't have a gravy base, but if you do want to have gravy in this curry, add some more water and rather than letting it reduce to a dry consistency, allow there to be some gravy remaining. If you like the recipe, give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.